In this video, we will talk about the self-control aspect, which comes under self-management as one of the emotional intelligence components. In self-control, what we have is people with this competency are able to manage their impulsive feelings and distressing emotions very well. They can they will not get into impulses, and whenever they're in a distress, they can manage the emotions well. Even in trying moments, they will stay positive and they will stay composed. They're able to continue to put effort without disappointment. We should be like a water bottle. If you punch a water bottle, throw a water bottle, kick a water bottle, ill treat a water bottle, the water inside remains very calm and composed. But if you try doing the same thing with a soda bottle or a carbonated drink bottle, it will just explode. So we should not be like a soda bottle, but like a water bottle. I had gone to Sanchi, which is near Madhya Pradesh capital Bhopal, 2 hour drive from Bhopal. Sanchi Stupa was built 2300 years ago by Emperor Ashoka. There are 4 statues here holding up the rock panel above, and 4 of them got 4 different expressions. First picture on the left, it is looking very sad because so much of weight on its hands. But on the right, it depicts a laughing statue saying that irrespective of the burden, I'm happy. So, depending upon the our own internal resources, we are able to choose the response that is needed. Just because a burden is there doesn't mean automatically we have to feel sad about it. In fact, there is a third statue which is showing anger as an emotion, and fourth shows total serenity, peace. That means for the same stimulus of the burden from above, there are 4 different responses are possible. So we can also do the same thing. Suppose somebody shouts at us, it automatically does not mean we have to feel sad or angry about it. We can in fact be happy also that yes, I made a mistake. Somebody has pointed out that to me. Maybe his method of pointing out may be wrong, but at least I learned the lesson that what I did was wrong. Or if you feel that the person is only talking ill because of your own jealousy, I can be totally at peace with myself, having the confidence in myself. There was a case in 2009 when the world was going through a recession. A very bright Indian having a posh job in a Silicon Valley killed his entire family and 3 visiting relatives and committed suicide because he had lost his job, he had lost the ability to pay for his loans, and he could not do anything, think of anything other than taking own life and that of families. Because some people are not trained to handle failure, and any failure it comes, they are not able to control because they have always been programmed for success. There's a good case of where self-control has come into good action. US Airways plane had a bird hit and both engines failed. And without losing the self-control, because a very stressful situation, Captain Sullenberger was able to land it in the Hudson River without any loss of life. Same thing happened in the case of Captain Vasant in Kozhikode Airport in 2020, where he realized that the undercarriage was not getting deployed. So he went round and round the airport just to exhaust the fuel so that when he does the belly landing, there is no fuel there in the aircraft so that it doesn't catch fire. So under trying circumstances, these people are able to focus their energy, entire mental energy on the task at hand. And because when you're stressed, you are not able to take any rational decisions. So emotions that regularly get out of hand can lead to various relationship problems because they can't relate to others. They'll have trouble at work or school. They can get into alcoholism, drug abuse, and physical and emotional outbursts. There is something known as emotional self-control, which was experimented. Children were given an option of having the sweet too if they don't touch it during the 15 minutes they're left along with the sweet. And they observed from outside. Those children who did not touch the sweet because they have been told that we'll get two of them after 15 minutes, they were found to have an average 210 points better on the SAT score 10 years later. And also, they had grown into more socially competent, self assertive, and cope better with life's frustrations. But other set of children who did not control their greed for the sweet within that 15 minutes, they had grown into more stubborn, indecisive, and stressed individuals. So, how to have self control? When you are in a situation where your emotions are going out of control, breathe, have a deep breath. Breathe slowly, deep into the diaphragm and hold it there. Count backward from 10 to 1 and also keep saying, I am calm, I am relaxed. It will bring down at least some percentage of the emotional turmoil. If you repress, that is not good because repression will lead to anxiety, depression, sleep issues, body ache, stress, alcohol, smoking, drugs, all those things. So repression is different from self-control. Self-control is not getting into the emotion at all. Repression is having got an emotion, trying to control it, trying to put it down, which is bad. So we talked about this aspect, self-control aspect of self-management. The next other videos, we'll talk about other aspect of self-management. Thank you for watching.